Nan suang bat penpainia ia unu konrad sangma ubadairu hakajuk kapor chief minister jong kejela Meghalaya. Konrad sangma kumnumi sedang menkeno kumni dakabami ong badon kiba yalam bakla haba penkesan halor ki jingtei ha ulum pongdeng. Bat kadeiru kata ka jingtei ke batang shipor kumba kapau kumnu kumta kumnu hadu unrifo tuli ki snem. Kala amu banong nilong bakadei ke jingtei ke batang shipor madu batip bat kenmau ya kani KIWEI pat nganya thu hapi ki pajba pej ya kastar simen kawai kat nupor pat hadu bakayo kontrol sendon hiru ya ka government wat haki tamasa ki bahe kathe pisaru ha kapor election hinre nadien pat kabamdu sendon hatu ka jingtei kabalamut bantai menta haulum pongdeng kalamu banong bakadei ka jingtei ke batang shipor hadu unriu phau teli ki snem khilitai sakarulan pajba yang teli pan persya teng ya kani lem kumta hadin ondalayang ki mandir ki Moskow kanlong kum kamau jemuny kumla ale iya isu bat kumdu kumta te yang batang shipor hadu lais pak kror kat baya ki yang skim ka yang jong ki pajba basong permanen PI ni pha tang silak san phau hajar hakom Mr. Konrad sangma please explain about this. I am sick and tired of this government who try to destroy or khasi unjantai land. Why not in Garo Hills? No need to buy, even if temporary. Construction, go to Garo, please. Bulk construction there.
Certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed.